Hi everyone, we are here at Pasig Catholic Cemetery and today is November 1, which we are celebrating the All Souls Day. Now, I'm going to interview someone who knows what are the traditions of the Filipinos on All Souls Day. Okay, let's go. Hi Kuya, what's your name?
Fritz Ramos.
Fritz Ramos. So, I'm Tats Bautista and I'm going to ask you what do you know what can you say about the traditions of the Filipinos on All Souls Day?
Pag All Souls Day, pumupunta yung mga tao syempre sa sementeryo para bumibisita sa mga namatay nilang mga kamag-anak o kahit hindi kamag-anak. Tapos siyempre nag-aalay sila ng bulaklak tsaka kandila. Parang yung candle, parang symbol, yung nagsisimbolize ng parang prayer natin para sa kanila. Tsaka yung flowers, parang offer na rin natin yun para mapakita din sa kanila na hindi pa rin natin sila nakakalimutan.
Alright. Okay, so thank you very much for that answer. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.